Hi everyone, good day! In this video, I'll be teaching you how to fix Starfield, Red Mile bug, or On the Run quest. Okay, first things first, begin by loading your game from a previous save point before initiating the On the Run quest. Head then to Red Mile and meet Autumn's contact before engaging with May. During your conversation with May, opt to run the red mile and choose the dialogue option that indicates I need to prepare first. If successful, this action should prompt May's introduction, allowing you to continue the quest. Approach then May and gently nudge her to move to a different location by pressing directional buttons on your keyboard. Interact with a nearby bartender or another NPC, and then return to May to see if her interaction works correctly. On PC, you can utilize console commands to force progression in the quest. Just press the tilde key, usually located on the upper left corner of your keyboard below the escape key. Enter then the following command: set stage 001F02671600. Please note that using console command will disable achievements in your current save. Lastly, if you have tried all the troubleshooting steps and the red mile bug persists, don't hesitate to contact Bethesda customer support. They have dedicated teams to assist players with technical issues and can provide personal guidance. Anyways, if you like content like this, don't forget to subscribe to this channel or comment down below any tutorials you want us to make, so we can help you. And that's it. You can now fix Starfield, Red Mile bug, or On the Run quest. Thanks for watching and happy scrolling.